Good day everyone, this is JB Troy Acaso from the BSFT 1A. Today, I will explain what is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture, and I will give them some examples. Okay, what is heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture? Heterogeneous mixture is a type of mixture that is not evenly distributed or can distinguish easily, while homogeneous mixture is a type of mixture that is uniform throughout. For us to easily more understand about homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, here are some examples that you can find at home. First example for heterogeneous mixture is the Ding Dong snack. For our explanation earlier, heterogeneous mixture is not evenly distributed or nakikita natin kung ano yung mga components niya. Like, for example, peanuts, green beans, corn beans, and etc. And our second example is this, salt and pepper. And doon naman sa homogeneous mixture, we have this. Alam niyo ba kung ano to? Siyempre, hindi. This is coffee. Ang explanation natin kanina sa homogeneous is uniform siya. Nakikita natin yung buo, pero hindi natin nakikita lahat ng components niyang andon. For example, this is a coffee, pero hindi natin alam kung meron ba siyang sugar, creamer, or etc. ang nakalagay pa. Next, our second example is this. Alam niyo ba kung ano to? Hindi rin. Water and salt. Nakikita lang natin siya normally na clear. It's so clear na parang plain lang. Pero pag tinikman natin, meron siyang nakalagay na salt. So, to compare heterogeneous and homogeneous, this. Heterogeneous, nakikita natin kung lahat ng mga components yung andon. While sa homogeneous naman is hindi. Nakikita na lang natin siya ng ganon, pero hindi buo. And now, we're done. Thank you for listening and I hope you learn more about homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Kung di kayo nakinig, bumalik kayo doon. And this is JV Troy Acaso from the BSFT 1A. Thank you everyone.